Okay, next I'd like to show you the animation module, which can simulate the assembly movement with the different camera positions. To be specific, you can use keyframe, motor, parameters, and the camera position properly to get an intuitive and vivid animation in shortest time. Okay, now let's move over to ZW3D to show you more details about animation. Okay, now let me show you how to create animation. New animation, and we give it the total time, like 10 seconds, but no problem, we can still change it in the animation environment. And for animation, the most three important thing is keyframe, camera position, and the parameters. So first let me show you how to create keyframes. Now we have two, 0 and 10 seconds. We can create more. Just right click and create a new keyframe like 5 seconds. Okay, and we can active 0 second. And the next one is about camera position. For example, we want the camera position to be different in different keyframes. For example, in 0, we want the frame angle to be here. Okay, so we can move the model here and then right click in here and define the camera position and select the current view and OK. Now you can see we add a camera position here and we active the 5 seconds and we rotate it and zoom it a little bit. Okay, then we redefine the camera position and the current view. Okay, and then 10 seconds we made another camera position like here and redefine it, current view. Okay, now let's see the effect. Okay, we start it, and here you can see there will be a smooth transition among those keyframes. Okay, it's done. We reactive the 0 seconds. And next we will add the motor. Okay. So here we want to make the spindle to rotate. So we select spindle and the direction, the center line of the spindle. Okay, and here we have the type. Currently we only have the uniform speed. And the speed we can name it, we can change it like 100. And here we can change the start and end frames. You can keep it by default, start at 0 and end at 10 seconds. Okay, this is about the rotate motor, and also we have the linear motor. Okay, but here we just need the rotate motor. Okay, we can run it one more time. Okay, it's done. And actually, besides the motor, we can add more parameters. For example, we can add the value of the constraints. For example, the distance or angle to drive the model to move. Okay, but in this case, we only need the motor will be enough. Okay, so this is how we create an animation. And finally, we can record animation as an AVI file. Okay,